Earlier, there were a lot of delays in terms of processing of bills, booking of bills, reconciliation of bills. There were multiple channels of approvals. It would be taking approx 1 week to 10 days for processing one reimbursement. Hi, this is Suyash Tibrewal. I am a chartered accountant and a company secretary. I am working in SHRM as a finance head. At SHRM, we equip HR professionals with the tools, knowledge and resources to let through the real challenges of today's workplace. SHRM is a global authority on work, workers and workplace. Before started using Zaggle, our expense management system was through Excel sheets only. Employees were submitting their expense reimbursement in Excel along with bills attachment. So it went through multiple levels of approval. Correct. Then once it reaches finance, then finance has to manually check each and every bill. So there might be some mismatches or some omission from finance part also in identifying the bills, and some duplicacy of bills will be there. So in that case, it was a little bit challenging. Once we started using Zaggle platform, so all these problems has been resolved. So now employees can submit their expense reimbursements on the go, whether they are in office or they are traveling or they are at home. It also helps employees, claiming their all the reimbursements. Earlier it was missed from their side also. Earlier there were a lot of delays in terms of processing of bills, booking of bills, reconciliation of bills. There were multiple channels of approvals. So now once it has been automated through Zaggle, so earlier mismatches has been eradicated, and our it also helped us in our closing month close activities on a timely basis, because we get expense details in single report. Earlier we have to manually add in calculator or Excel for all the expenses checking or submission. So it also avoids duplicacy. So overall accuracy has been improved and efficiency has been improved in terms of overall finance function and month close activities. Post started using Zaggle platform, basically Zaggle mobile platform we could say. It has helped users as well as finance for overall expense processing. For users, like earlier some users forget their bills and it has been misplaced, or they forgot to claim the reimbursement. Now due to app, they can submit their expense reimbursements on the go. And in terms of finance, overall process has been improved, because earlier like it would be taking approx 1 week to 10 days for processing one reimbursement. Correct, due to manual submissions and approvals process. Now once we started using Zaggle, so that time has been reduced to a couple of days, 1 or 2 days. So yeah, that has also hugely impacted our overall finance function. So it also helped reduce the revenue leakages and policy violations, because earlier it was manual, so some policy violations were there which might missed from our side or employee side. Now through Zaggle, we have already implemented policy violations. So Zaggle will pop up if there is any policy violation. So it helped us improve overall revenue leakage also in our system. If I have to mention Zaggle in 3 words, so I will say that it's ease of use, it's cost efficient, and it's reliable.